Hello, trading is closed on August 26th, 2019. A little over our calls. Friday was an absolute tank. Nobody wanted to buy, and I was looking for prices to gap up, hit this target, and have a strong rally, which they did. We said if this is an ending diagonal triangle, that overtaking this high was the target too, and we got that. I'm certain I'm going to get all kinds of emails from advisory services telling me how they called this, and how if I subscribe to them I can get rich with only 10 minutes of work a day. And my feeling is if they really wanted my business, the time to tell me about the rally is before it happens and not after. Just a personal opinion. Well, here was what happened today. Had this drop, MEJT said it was false. Here was the target. The target printed, so we closed at a MEJT resistance area. Resistance doesn't have to hold, but it is resistance. You can interpret this as a wall into the close. Often we'll gap down, and I don't like the fact, if you're a bull, that we gapped up, hit a higher high, with only 5 minutes left to trade, hadn't traded over any of these highs. It implies it's not professionals taking us past these highs, but the amateurs. And the fact that we went even higher in futures after the close and then gave it back doesn't inspire confidence in me either. Well, here's what we said. We had a bunch of things saying we gap up sharply and rally. We got that. I had everything all set for what I was going to get at the bottom. I don't think it's going to happen now. That's why I take things one day at a time. The action overnight makes it likely Friday's low is going to hold, and I'm not going to get all these things I wanted. But since I take it a day at a time, I don't really care. Well, here's your A, here's your B. We're trying to find the end of blue C. You'd like to find a Fibonacci relationship between blue A and blue C. I don't see one. Perhaps we'll have to settle for purple A being twice purple C. Sometimes you don't get everything you want. Well, if that is what's going on, we don't know that for certain yet. Here would be B, and that's a 1 and a 2 and a 3. And here's your fibs at the end of wave 4. My grandbaby is giving some color commentary in the background. So here's what I have. Tuesday's pattern has the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up first. Unless we drop big early, the day tends to close near the high and be positive. But I think we might drop early. We gapped up, hit a higher high, couldn't clear the highs till it was too late. Was into resistance. That's the short term, but longer term, we plunged over 40 points overnight, gapped up at the open. All these shorts here are trapped. I think one of these prior bottoms, the same thing happened. The shorts all got trapped. Normally the market, when you're trapped like that, doesn't you sell into a hole. Market doesn't let you get out with a whole skin. I don't think this is going to print. I think we're going to have to get one more leg down to finish wave 5 of this pattern. And after that happens, and it'll probably be somewhat similar to this leg 1, then we're off to the races with a brown wave 3 for a strong rally starting very soon. Of course, as always, if we gap up, I'm looking for us to drop. The whole idea is kill before the open. Whether or not that'll happen, I don't know. But for right now, we look for an early drop, the 5th wave down, And when that ends, and it probably won't take forever for it to end, a big rally I think is going to start. And that's today's call.